Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, we're going to take a look at the sugarcane stumps that we planted. They seem to be doing all right here in the sunny spot of the yard. There's the cane shoot right there, shooting off a new shoot. If I could get this to... So yeah, there's the new shoot right there. Coming out. It's looking good. Down there's a bunch of new shoots coming right out of the base. So it was just a big clump when we started. Right now it's April the 14th, 2022. Let's go look at the other shoots that we just stuck in the ground. See if they're doing anything. Well, they're still green, so something could happen, but I'm not sure. I've never done this before, and this is the understory location, so we'll see if anything happens. I don't see any new shoots popping out of the ground, so there's nothing coming up there. And I don't see any leaves popping off the sides here. If you look right there, there's nothing really popping off yet, so we'll see what happens going forward. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out a lot. And stay tuned, because we'll keep you updated on the progress of these sugarcane here in a sunny location and an understory location of our yard. Have a good day.